Here we are going to see the monthly current affair vision MCQ, a smart MCQ, and the topic is environmental, and the month is April 2023. Here, let's see one by one. Here, telling first question is telling consider the following statement with reference to the project Tiger. Project Tiger से related दिया है. The first statement is given. It is a centrally sponsored scheme of the Ministry of Environment which was launched in 1973. Very 1973. Very correct statement. It is correct. Second, telling that its implementing agency is the National Tiger Conservation Authority, which is an executive body. No, it is an statutory body. So this statement become incorrect. It is implementing agency is International Tiger Conservation Authority, which is an statutory body, not an executive body. So this is the incorrect. Second is incorrect, and first is correct. Third telling that the International Big Kite Alliance was also launched by the Indian during commemoration of its 50 year. Commemoration of its 50 year, very correct statement. So first and third is correct, second is incorrect. So correct answer is 1 and 3 means C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Next question number 2, asking that which of the following statements are correct regarding the International Big Kite Alliance? First, telling that it was first proposed by India at the International Group Against Poaching and Illegal Wildlife Trade in 2019. Yes, correct statement. This is correct. Second, telling that it has been launched for the conservation of 7 big kite, namely tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, cheetah, and jaguar and puma. Very correct statement. So both are correct. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Next question number third, asking that consider the following statement with reference to the project Elephant. Has the elephant related given a statement? First, telling that first statement that it was launched in 1992 as the centrally sponsored scheme by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Very correct statement. Third is telling that presently the project is being implemented in 14 state and UT. No, this is a 22 state and UT. Presently, the project is being implemented in 22 state and UT. So second is incorrect. Third is telling that it provides financial and technical support to major elephant bearing state in the country. It is correct. Third is correct. First and third is correct. Second is incorrect. So 1 and 3 means here 1 and 3, C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Next question number 4, asking that consider the following statement with respect to the Indian elephant. First, telling that they have the longest gestation period of all mammals. Very correct statement. Second, telling that Indian elephant and savanna elephant both are endangered as per the IUCN status. Very correct statement. Indian elephant and savanna elephant both are endangered, but while African elephant are critical endangered, but here Indian elephant and savanna elephant have given. So both are endangered. So second is correct, first is correct. Third is telling that the adult male Asian elephant are less social than female counterpart. Very correct statement. Third is also correct. Fourth, telling that it was declared as a national heritage animal in 2010, not 2012, because of its unique role in socio-religious life people. So this is incorrect because he has given 2010, but he has given 2012. So fourth is incorrect. So 1, 2, 3 means आपका हो जाएगा B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Next question number 5, asking that consider the following pair elephant conservation measure association associated body Gaj Yatra and Hathi Mere Sathi is here elephant conservation measure one side and another associated body have given. Gaj Yatra and Hathi Mere Sathi is the given Wildlife Trust of India. Yes, correctly match. This is correctly match. Gaj Yatra and Hathi Mere Sathi is Wildlife Trust of India. Second, telling them Rehab Initiative, Khadi and Village Industry Commission, correctly match. This is also correctly match. And the and Mike program, the conference of the party of sites. This is also correctly match. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्टली मैच. तो एक दो तीन तीनों तीनों करेक्टली मैच है. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा आपका डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Next question, question number 6, asking that consider the following statement regarding the circular economy. सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी से रिलेटेड स्टेटमेंट दिया. फर्स्ट बोल रहा है इट इंटेल रेस्पॉन्सिबल प्रोडक्शन कंजम्पशन एंड डिस्पोजल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इन क्लोज सर्कुलर सिस्टम. वेरी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. सेकेंड टेलिंग दैट डाउन साइक्लिंग can greatly help in overcoming the challenge and transitioning to circular economy. Downsizing is not a challenge, but this is not a solution but a challenge. Here telling overcoming the challenge means that is they indicating the solution, but that is a challenge of the circular economy, not the solution of the circular economy. So second is incorrect. Third is telling that for the first time, International Day of Zero Waste has been observed to encourage everyone minimize waste and promote a societal shift toward the circular economy. Yes, third is incorrect and first is correct and second is incorrect. So according to this, we come to the answer C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 7, asking that consider the following statement consider the following pair of categorization assessment unit as per the groundwater resource assessment report. क्या कह रहा. पहला है ओवर एक्सप्लॉइटेड. ओवर एक्सप्लॉइटेड में क्या बोल रहा है ग्राउंड वाटर एक्सट्रैक्शन एक्सीडिंग एन एनुअल रिप्लेनिशेबल ग्राउंड वाटर रिचार्ज. yes correct है. ओवर एक्सप्लॉइटेड मतलब एक्सीडिंग द annual extraction of the annual replenishable ground water recharge and critical. सेकेंड में क्या कर रहा है क्रिटिकल बोल रहा है. क्रिटिकल में क्या है a stage of ground water extraction is between 90 to 100% of annual extractable resource available. yes this is also correct. and safe में बोल रहा है stage of ground water extraction is less than 50%. no, not less than but 70%, less than 70%. so third is incorrect, first and second is correct, so only two means B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 8, asking that groundwater contamination is the presence of certain pollutants in groundwater that are in excess of the limit prescribed for drinking water. In this context, which of the following are the example of groundwater pollutants? First, arsenic given, two में given fluoride, three is given iron, and fourth is given nitrate, and fifth is given uranium. तो चारों पांचों के पांचों है आर्सेनिक, फ्लोराइड एंड आयरन एंड नाइट्रेट एंड uranium. Fifth are all of them are the component of the contaminated in the groundwater. So D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 7, asking that consider the following statement regarding the recently released census of the water body. First telling that Ministry of Jal Shakti has released all the Indian report of the first census of the water body. Very correct statement. Second, telling that the top 3 states with the most water body are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar given. No, Bihar is not. Top 3 states with the most water body are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh, not the Bihar. So second is incorrect and first is correct. And here asking correct or incorrect. Here asking correct. So the first is correct. A is the correct answer. Next question, question number 10, asking that consider the following statement regarding the eco-sensitive zone. And here is telling that eco-sensitive zone are ecologically important fragile area around the protected area designed under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. No, that is not Wildlife Protection Act 1972. This is designed under the Environmental Protection Act 1986. 86, not the 1972 Protection Act, Wildlife Protection Act. So this is incorrect. And the next The next statement telling the second, as per the National Wildlife Action Plan, land within 10 kilometer of the boundary of the national parks and wildlife sanctuary is to be notified as the eco-sensitive zone. Very correct statement. Second, third, telling the Supreme Court has recently stated that eco-sensitive zone cannot be uniform across the country and has to be protected area specific. Very correct statement. So second is correct, third is correct. So correct answer is here is the B. As first we have seen that is incorrect. So next question is question number 11, asking that recently seen in news Prosophis chalensis can be the best described as A is telling the insectivorous plants species endemic to the India. B is telling that invasive plants species, and C is telling that newly discovered mangrove species, and D is telling that extinction flowering plant species. So correct is the invasive plants species. B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 12, asking that which of the following statement is are not correct regarding the recently released Environmental Statistics 2023. First statement telling that in 2022, maximum heat wave day were reported in the Rajasthan followed by Telangana. This is incorrect. This is followed by the Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and Jharkhand, not to the Telangana. So this is the incorrect. Here's that this is the first statement is correct. Second statement telling that Assam, Himachal Pradesh have not reported a heat wave day since 2010. Very correct statement. Very correct statement. Environmental statistics 2023 saying that Assam and Himachal Pradesh have not reported a heat wave since 2010. So first is incorrect, and third is second is correct, and he asking incorrect. So first become the correct answer because first is incorrect. So A is the correct answer. Next question, question number 13, asking that which of the following component form the part of the agri-food system as defined by the Food and Agriculture Organization. Actor engaged in the primary production of the food and non-food agriculture product. Very correct statement. Second, telling that a storage, aggregation, and post-harvest handling of the food product. Very correct statement. And third is telling that transportation, processing, and distribution and marketing of the food product. This is also correct statement. And fourth is D is telling that disposal, consumption of all food product, including those of the non-agriculture or origin. Very correct statement. तो तीनों चारों सही, तो D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 14, asking that consider the following statement regarding the open source seed movement. First telling that it affirms that plant genetic and their physical trait cannot be owned by individual or corporate. Very correct statement. So second telling that it disallow anyone to privatize the seed and thus excluding patent and plant variety protection. Very correct statement. तो दोनों सही है, तो C is the correct answer. Next question, question number 15, asking that which of the following are the component of the fly ash? Which of the following are the component of the fly ash? Here is given aluminum oxide, calcium oxide, arsenic and boron and chromium. तो तीनों चारों पांचों सही है, तो आपका हो जाएगा D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 16, asking that consider following statement regarding the carbon border adjustment mechanism. They are telling the first telling that it was proposed by G20 in 2021 and will be applicable from the October 1, 2023. This incorrect. This is proposed by, you can say, European Union, not to the G20. So first is incorrect. Second telling that it aims to reduce carbon emission from imported goods and prevent competitive disadvantage against the weaker environment regulation. This is correct. So second is correct. So here is the correct answer. Second is correct, and third is telling that India is opposed CBAM and it is against common but differentiated responsibility principle. Third is also correct, and for second is also correct. But first is incorrect. So correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 7, asking that consider the following statement regarding global average sea surface temperature. First, telling that it is the water temperature close to the ocean surface, and it is warmest near equator and coldest at pole. Very correct statement. Third is the second, telling it gives information only about the thin upper layer of the ocean and does not reflect the thermal energy. Thermal energy available in the upper ocean. Very correct. इसमें दोनों दोनों सही है, तो correct answer is C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 18, asking that consider the following statement regarding the animal birth control rules 2023. These rules have been notified under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. Very correct assessment. Third is telling that next telling that municipal corporation will be implementing the animal birth control program and anti-robbery program jointly. Very correct statement. Very correct statement. And so the C, both are statement are correct. So C is the correct answer. So I would like to hear. I finished 18 question is in this part.